Hi, I'm Shawn Hobson with EPD. Today I'll be walking you through the wrap feature of 3M Pattern Marketplace. The goal of this feature is to extend the edge of any existing pattern. In PPF patterns, oftentimes an installer will like to extend the edge of a bumper kit to wrap into the wheel well area. To activate this feature, you simply click on the pattern to highlight it. When you do, the toolbar will appear on the right side of the screen, and the wrap option is right here on the left side of the toolbar. When that's activated, you can select any dimension you like to extend, and then you simply go to the area you want to start the wrap and highlight it. So you pick a place on the edge of the pattern, the cursor will turn to a black cross. You can click and place a red dot in that area. Go to the other edge of that line, choose a spot you would like the wrap to end, and click. Immediately you'll see a preview of the extension. If that's acceptable, you can click Apply, and you'll see the change as you compare it with the ghost pattern. So this is how to use the wrap feature of 3M Pattern Marketplace. We hope you enjoy it.